And we're back to Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel where I'll show you how to make your own money on your own time. Whether that's gig economy, passive income, anything you do to level up, boss up, and not have to work for the man. We about that. And today we are back with a video covering a topic that's in the lines of passive income by micro lending. And this company, solofunds.com. Solo is a company that allows you to download the app and connect with users who need money, whether it's a small loan to, like you see here, car repairs, um, or if it's, kids' birthday bills, whatever the reason they're listed, and they have a score next to their picture that lets you know how qualified or how credit worthy they are. So I do this. I've been doing this about a year now. My rate of return is about 10%. Well, that's about 8.9% right now. Um, and that's the rate of return. Now, this is not a get rich quick thing. This is not a supplement your day job type deal. This if you got money, if you make a large enough income, you got money sitting in the bank right now with inflation at being 7%, you're actually losing money while it's sitting in your savings account right now. So putting it into little micro lending accounts like these, lending it out, and gaining 8-9% of your money is worth it. To me, it's not financial advice. It's something that I like to do. Like I said, you can help people. Like I said, you don't even have to charge interest or make any money. If you just want to be, do good, help somebody out in the hard times, you can lend money. And some people say they want to give you some money back. Some, you see the different lender tips amount. So this is what you get in return here. So they request $100. They take out $100 out your checking account, and then in 14 days they pay you back, the balance plus the tip. So you lend directly to the people. It's very transparent who you're lending to. You can even see their loan history. You can see if they paid back any loans, if it was late, if they never paid back, if their loans were paid back on time. Now, the rule of thumb I do when picking people to loan to is they have to be of a 60 or above, and their last loan repayment cannot be late. Now, a lot of people have 3, 4 loans already, but as long as the last one wasn't late, I'll loan to them. But if the one before was late and the one current wasn't late, I still loan to them. But if the most recent, or if they only had one and that most recent was late, I do not lend to them. I got my own strategic lending guidelines that I lend to people, and it's been successful for me. I haven't had anybody pay me back late or not pay me back. Now, Solo does have an insurance policy. You can sign up to do an insurance policy, and they'll take half of the lender tip. And by them Solo taking half of the lender tip, so say if the tip was $10, they'll take 5 just to guarantee that you'll get your money back. For example, so they'll take it like it's like almost insurance fee that they guarantee to you get your money back. So if they pay late or not at all, Solo will give you at least half of all your initial loan back, and plus half the tip that you're supposed to get. So that's a cool thing that Solo does that almost guarantees you're not going to lose any money, but you got to choose that option. If you don't choose that option and then they don't pay, then you will lose it. No minimum requirements. You can lend what you want when you want, and tip amount, payback, everything is already presented in front of you. So it's very simple. You just sign up. Well, yes, they download the app. Got on the Play Store and Apple iOS as well. And you can borrow money. So I'm gonna do a video on Credit K YouTube channel. So go over there about borrowing the money, and if you need loan, and we out. Be on